G'day, welcome back, and I have chosen the most perfect time to deliver my final episode of You Are the Bank. And why is this a perfect time? Well, have a look at what's going on, folks. That SVB bank went down in the US. We've got banks teetering at the moment, and it is a perfect time for you as an independent business owner with a bit of a property portfolio to take control of your own finances and rely on that adage that's nothing is as safe as houses or commercial property. So what are we talking about in this final episode of You Are the Bank? Well, this is what it's all about, folks. I've told you how to protect your family assets, try to keep as minimal amount of money in the business as possible to run the working capital of the business. And then I showed you this structure to distribute your excess business profits. And here it is again as a reminder. So there's the family trust with the trustee company receiving profits from the business, and some excess profits goes to this structure here. That is the company beneficiary. Now, folks, that company beneficiary is your ticket to looking after your money. After all,
it's your money, Ralph.
And so what you've got to be able to do is take the dough in there of that company and then start to develop your own family wealth. Remember, you control your dough in that company and you're able to develop your wealth. Now, out of all this, you don't just get to protect your assets and develop your family wealth using your own money as a bank, but it also has a solid tax implication as well. And you do save a fair bit on tax. You need advice. You need to be able to use that company beneficiary in the smartest way possible, and you'll be able to look after your dough and you'll be able to keep developing your family wealth for your immediate family and your family as it grows. So that's it, folks. The company beneficiary houses the dough, it does the lending of the money, you save some tax, and you can protect everything within your family when these banks are starting to teeter and you're relying on what everyone relies on in Australia, and that is the solid property market that underpins this country. That's it, folks. Now remember, if you need good advice on this, come and see us. I'm Pat Mannix.